Did you know there's a humble spice sitting in your kitchen that could transform your health? Yes, I'm talking about cinnamon. This ancient superfood isn't just for your morning latte or desserts, it's a powerhouse of health benefits. Stick around to discover how adding just a pinch of cinnamon to your diet can make a huge difference to your body and mind. Cinnamon is considered as one of the most beloved spices, used for centuries in traditional medicine across cultures. Highlight its two main types: Ceylon cinnamon, true cinnamon, higher quality, mild flavor. Cassia cinnamon, more common, stronger taste. 1. Boosts metabolism and aids weight loss. Cinnamon helps regulate blood sugar levels, reducing insulin resistance, which is often linked to fat storage. Studies show it can slow the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, keeping energy levels steady. Engaging fact: 1 teaspoon of cinnamon has the same antioxidant power as half a cup of blueberries. Try adding cinnamon to your oatmeal or smoothies for a metabolism kickstart. 2. A natural antioxidant powerhouse. Cinnamon is loaded with antioxidants, like polyphenols, that protect the body from oxidative stress. These antioxidants combat free radicals, reducing the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. Quick tip: swap sugar with a sprinkle of cinnamon in your coffee for a healthier antioxidant boost. 3. Supports heart health. Regular consumption has been linked to lower cholesterol and triglyceride levels. It may reduce blood pressure by relaxing blood vessels and improving circulation. Make cinnamon tea. Boil water, add a stick of cinnamon, and let it simmer. It's delicious and heart-friendly. 4. Helps fight infections. Cinnamon has antimicrobial and antifungal properties, effective against bacteria like E. coli and fungi like Candida. Science-backed fact: cinnamon oil is often used in natural remedies for skin infections and cold relief. Engaging fact: did you know ancient Egyptians used cinnamon as a natural preservative for food? 5. Brain booster and memory enhancer. Cinnamon contains compounds that may delay neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Improves memory and focus by enhancing brain function and increasing neuron communication. Tip: include cinnamon in your diet during study sessions or high-focus tasks. 6. Reduces inflammation and joint pain. Chronic inflammation is a silent trigger for many diseases, and cinnamon combats it naturally. Useful for people with arthritis, as it can reduce joint swelling and pain. 7. Blood sugar control for diabetics. One of cinnamon's most famous benefits is its ability to mimic insulin and enhance glucose uptake by cells. Studies suggest consuming as little as 1 to 6 grams per day can significantly lower fasting blood sugar levels. Caution: cassia cinnamon contains coumarin, which in high doses can be harmful. Stick to Ceylon cinnamon if consuming daily. Want to know the top 5 superfoods that go perfectly with cinnamon? Stay tuned and hit subscribe.